A planogram is used in retail to show the placement of products on a shelf, which is important to maximizing sales and minimizing wasted space. Planograms are sometimes used by manufacturers to suggest optimum display for their merchandise at stores, or by store managers to help analyze retail performance and identify potential causes of lower sales. To get started making a planogram in SmartDraw, choose Elevations from the list of templates and open the Planogram template. In the Smart panel, you'll find all sorts of symbols to build your diagram. Click here to choose from other symbol libraries like lighting, clothing, and other products. The blank planogram template opens with a basic 8x8 shelf already in your drawing area. You can use this shelf or add your own from the docked shelf units and storage library to the left of your work area. Add more shelving units and they snap neatly into place. Switch to the product library and drag items to the shelves as needed. With an item selected, choose a fill option to add color to that object. Go to the Design tab and click Dimensions to change these display options. Notice that the dimensions of the shelving and products show when they are selected. This will help you space things out. You can rotate a shape using this circle handle here. You can also resize shapes using these shape handles. Or just type right into the dimensions themselves. You can be as exact as you need to be. As you move items around your page, you'll see blue guidelines that show you the distance to the nearest object to help you position things better. Use the grid and these rulers to space things out accurately. Right-click on the ruler to change measurements to various architectural, metric, mechanical engineering, or custom options. Click Add Text and type to add labels, item lists, or numbers. Or, with a shape selected, just type to add text to that shape. Click Add Picture to insert images, logos, or custom product designs that you may have. You may want to save entire sections of your display for future use in other planograms. To do this, click on More Symbols, then you can select Add New Custom Library and name your new symbol library. Now you can drag the section you want to reuse into your library. Name it and click OK. Open that library while working in another planogram, and there are your custom displays ready to reuse. Any shape in SmartDraw can contain data. You can import a spreadsheet of data and assign the data to shapes, or add data individually to shapes as needed. You can enter product names, SKUs, barcodes, prior sales data, sales notes like top seller or new product launch, price, brand, priority placement rank, product category, and so on. The information will be displayed as a tooltip when you hover over the shape and can be exported independently from your visual. Planograms are a great way to help you grow your retail business, and they're really easy to make with SmartDraw.